Hey everyone, my name is Rachel Easton. Today I'm going to show you how to use Padlet. And Padlet is basically just a virtual bulletin board that users can upload and share content collaboratively. So all you're going to go to is padlet.com, click on it, sign up for free. I'm going to sign in with Google, just going to use my personal account. And then you have your different options that you can pay for: platinum, gold, neon. The top two costs, but the neon is for free, so that's what I am going to choose. And then you're going to press let's go. This is talking about how you can work in teams. You can look at that later, but here you can go to make a Padlet. And you're going to choose your theme. Wall's pretty typical, so I'm going to choose it. And then you can modify it. So I'm going to change my title to Animal Nutrition because I teach high school agriculture. You can add a description, an icon. Since this is my animal science class, I'm going to choose a pig. Wallpaper. You can upload a picture, do textures and patterns, gradients. I'm just going to go with this one because I'm a K-State fan and I love purple. You can change your font. You can have it put my name when you write something up there. Allow viewers to comment on posts. Yes. Here you can give reactions so people can like, vote, give stars or grade. Then you have require approval. You may want to put this on, but it can be very time consuming as you would have to approve every post that's put on there. I would rather not do that, but I do filter profanity because I have high school students and they'll try to get away with anything. So I will select that. Then I will press next. And I am all ready and set to go to start posting. So I'm going to just create a post. I'm going to use this right now maybe as a start of a class interest assignment, and I'm just going to say, what do you feed animals? And then I could say list 3 different foods that animals eat. And then I can press publish. And then we'll post up here. Students can add a comment, or they could add another block. So all they have to do is click here again, and I'm going to have the subject be pigs, and pretend this is a student making this. They can upload a photo. Embed something, anything they want to do, and maybe little Johnny is saying pigs eat corn, wheat, and soybeans. And then they can publish it. I can go in and comment, grade that, give little Johnny 100 out of 10, and your name post up there. So ways I would use this is there's many different ways. I could use this as an interest approach like I just did. I could use it as an exit ticket at the end of the day to maybe ask some questions to see if they learned it. I could use get to know you questions. For Bloom's taxonomy, obviously it can be easily done for remember and understand, but also I feel like it can be used for evaluate. For example, I could post a Padlet that says, if I feed my pigs just marshmallows, will they get the nutritional value they need? Why or why not? So students will be able to evaluate that and decide their opinion on if the pigs will have the appropriate nutrition. And then on the SAMR, I feel like it hits all four, especially modification. It's a great way that allows for collaboration with others. So I hope you see this video and try it out in your classroom. Thanks.